Hey class, so we are going to start assembling our playground. Now, today's focus, I want you to try and get the tri-platform and the main platform set up. So, to do that, let's see. You're going to see that we have the long pole, we got a short pole, main platform, tri-platform. Those are what we're going to need for today. So, inventor. Okay, we are making a new assembly, standard assembly. We're going to place our pieces. So we have one main platform. Good. Place another thing. Tri-platform. We have one of those. Okay. I personally like placing my pieces all at once. I just put it all out there and then I actually make it. Now, the main poles are going to be going to the main platform. Let's see. There should be two. Let's see. Two long poles. I believe two short poles. Let me look at this image again just to refresh myself. No, just one short pole, or one long pole. So, I undid that, and then let's see, short poles, there will be two. Place. Short pole, two. So, first thing, we are going to constrain. The main poles are going into the main platform holes. So, let's see. Aligned, it should be aligned. Let's see, right here. Here. Okay. So that works. We're going to apply that. This should go here. Good. Boop. Boop. And lastly, should go here. Okay. Good. We have done that. Now we have our main platform. The next thing that we're going to need to do is place this. Now, let's see, apply. So this is going to go into, there we check out this image again. Straight, okay, and then the angle. Alright. So here's what I'm going to do. You can say that the face of this should be on the face of that. Sorry. And how else could you constrain it? Good. Slowly but surely. Okay. Opposed. I use the opposed one for that. There you go. We apply. Let's see. This should go in. Yeah, should go in there. Apply that. Take a second and just ground this piece. So all I did, you click it, right click, and then you say ground. Alright, now what that's going to do, that's going to make that the main. Let's see. Now that it's grounded, everything it won't move, and everything will move in relation to it. So now we've got this pole. This one, it should be. Let's see, where I do this. This should be touching this. Why can't it be resolved? Did I already grant? Okay, it's already in. So now I'm going to say that it is in. This should be in here. Okay. Now let's see. So now this one is going to be a little trickier. Should be like this and this. You can just trust me on this one. How's that for something? And now you're going to offset it. Let's try 4. That didn't work. I'm going to offset it -4. That now puts it right on the edge because the circle is 4 inches. So now if I do that, it's going to be 4 inches in, which, let's see. Actually, I think you want, here's 6. Now, basically what that's doing, that's saying that it's going to be, so if you just put 0, this means that the edge of the circle is going to be touching the edge of this. Like, that's the kind of constraint that we put on it. Now, we want it to be lined up directly. So if we were to put it in 4 inches, then the other side would be lined up. So 4 would put it away from the edge. -4 would be closer to the edge. Now, from that point, if you were to go back to the sheet, the hole is actually 4. The center of the thing is 4 inches. So the center of the pole should be 2 inches away. So 2 inches and 4 inches is 6. So that should be lined up perfectly, ready to go. All right, it's confusing, without a doubt. But we're nearly done. So now we just assemble, we constrain. We're going to put this one in that hole. Apply. Done. Now we have all of the poles in the platforms. And actually, I will say one thing, though. I used a long pole here, which now makes this the same height. If all your dimensions are correct, these should all kind of land on the same exact... They should be the same height. They would land on the same plane. File, save as, main, platform, assembly, and save that in your folder. Alright, great.